Now, if you look at the model, there is a lot of options are used to make that model. But in this instance, there is a lot of faces or edges are presented here. Suppose if I want to choose some of the edges or faces means I directly selected based on my preference. Suppose if I select a sum of the edges, instead of selecting edges, I select a sum of the faces means the total applications get failed. But if I want to select only edges or some faces or only sketches means what options is preferred? This is called filter option. Directly go to the command manager. There is a lot of menus and icons are presented here. But in right section, there are selection filter option. If you choose that options, there are some kind of tabs or opens. Just to select this selections filter. Afterwards, if you want to choose some of the edges only means you filter based on your preference. First I select only edges. I can only able to select the edges only. Other than that, I cannot able to select the faces or some kind of bodies. Suppose if I choose only bodies means I only able to select the bodies itself. Or if I choose only faces means I only able to select the faces, not the edges. This is how filter options is used to select some of the preferred model for our purpose. This is looks like a simple options, but it is much needed for a complex model, because whenever we need to choose some of the model's faces or edges means we are collapsed to select or malfunctions on the preference. If you choose a filter option, you can able to select for your needs. This is how filter option is used.